What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to edit, change or customize the header, the navigation header colors using the Anzu WordPress theme. It's a free WordPress theme with a lots of customization options and a really high performance. And the best part is the fact that it's free and always gonna be. First of all, make sure that you have installed your Anzu WordPress theme. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here for a video tutorial where I do explain how to install the theme for free. It's really easy, and after this go to WordPress dashboard, customize, theme, appearance and customize, and you're gonna be loading this panel. Here you can see the colors, and we have theme colors where we're gonna set the presets of the colors, but we can customize every single part. As you can see, our header is on light colors. So to change the color while hovering or while clicking on the links, we're gonna need to change the primary color. To change the header background color, go to the background color and feel free to pick your color. Make sure that you click on publish to save your changes and clear up the cache. The link colors, we did learn how to edit this in our previous video that is on our YouTube channel. Just search for Visual Modo or click on the link into the description below or the card over here and learn how to change the links. And you can change every part of the site colors right here, but we're gonna focus into the header. However, let me show you extra options. For example, the heading colors. This color is gonna change the menu colors, the age 1 to age 6, and the text color is gonna change the text body colors or all the texts of your website, the P tag. Let me choose a purple color so you can see the result. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you later. All the best!
Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless, sitting up on